today's video, si Habi ay magluluto ng, how do you call it, Daddy? Pork.
Country style pork ribs.
Oh, okay. So, first niyang gawin guys ay i-oven muna yung pork. So,
Country
ayan.
style baboy ribs.
Yes. Gimarinate niya sa nilagyan na ng,
Marinade, salt and pepper.
yep. So, ayan, mag-start na siya magluto. He is so hardworking, guys. His wife is so lazy.
I'll make a good wife one day.
What?
I'll make a good wife one day.
Oh my
All the
God.
cooking I do. Who cooked for you, Daddy? Who cooked for you in America? Cook for myself. You got snake woman cooking for you.
So, he's going to divorce me, guys, because he make a wife one day daw.
You don't cook stuff. I cook this. You don't cook this.
Are you going to divorce me to make wife to cook? To make you wife to cook?
No, we're married.
And now, cover foil. This is American styles, guys, so I don't know how to do it for now. So I have to learn how to cook American food. I cook Philippines, guys, but not all. Some food lang, some recipes I know.
You don't have no more foil, do you?
So, you know, guys, I'm new here in America, so I don't know how to use some stuff in the kitchen when I cook. So, my husband guide me to how to use it, some stuff of the kitchen, you know what, in our kitchen, charot.
300 degrees. 300
So, we need to wait the,
300 degrees
yes,
for 2 hours. 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 hours.
So, ayan, binalot na niya ng foil. Just cover lang. Cover the pork.
We're out of foil, so we gotta do it this way.
Bake, then 300 minutes.
300 degrees.
300 minutes. Degrees. 300 degrees temperature. Then
120 minutes.
Then start. Then we have to wait to.
We gotta wait.
Yeah, we have to wait this one, guys, na mawala yung niya na yung number. Yes, degrees. Yeah,
Turn it off. We gotta wait for the beep.
all right. Cut. Don't reheat it before na oven. Okay. Then touch. What time, guys? Start cooking now.
2 hours.
2 hours at a time.
Yep. And then when that's done, take it out, put the barbecue sauce on, then another hour.
Okay.
See how easy my cooking is? You lay on daddy right here.
Guys, 1 hour for the ulit. Ayan. Pork barbecue. Looks yummy. Looks delicious, guys. So, who's cooking? My kugihan banana. May kugihan banana. So, lutuin pa ulit. I-oven pa ulit, guys.
1 hour. 30 minutes.
Hour. Alright, so.
You got rice.
Oven again. Ooh. May premyo yan mamaya. You have award later. What award you got later? Award?
Hour.
Now guys, next guys, recipes is pasta,
Macaroni and cheese.
macaroni cheese.
Macaroni is pasta.
Oh, I'm right, pasta. Naglagay siya ng butter and pepperon. 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 Mix na yun with salt. And yung natawag sa atin na paminta. Parang ano yun. Oops. Alright. Then done to cook the pork? Ah, okay. Yung macaroni ni Habi. Shells and cheese. Original. Ito yung nasa loob. Yan. Madilim yung camera ko. Ito yung butter. Lagyan ng butter. What is this? The cheese. So, ito yung cheese niya. Yan. Boiled with water. Boiled first. So, nilagay na ni Habi ang pasta. So, nilagay na ni Habi ang pasta, guys. Okay. So, ngayon, nahalo-halo ni Habi na ang pasta. Macaroni pasta. At ilagay ng ito ang alright. Siya ang bida sa video ko. Charot. Bida. Cheese.
Taste it.
Sarap. Masarap. No, that.
Throw that away.
Oh.
I mean,
I don't want me again to. Sir. Giling-giling. Giling-giling. Igiling mo para matunaw ang taba. Oh, let's see. Oh. Then, very good. Almost done.
done.
Oh. Oh, wow. Done, guys. Done to cook. Habibi. So now, let's eat for dinner. That's for dinner, guys. So, yun lang video. So, hindi ko lang video naman, guys. See you next time.
They cut it up more.
Yeah. With Pepsi.